These softbox lights are honestly something else. I hope it don't tip over. What is up, you guys? So in today's video we are going to be talking about what equipment should you be using as a beginner YouTuber. So did you just hear the question? I gotta roll up my sleeves for this one. Don't see me rolling up my sleeves for this one. I gotta roll up my sleeve for this one. The question was, what equipment should I be using as a beginner YouTuber? Did you just hear that word? Beginner YouTuber? I didn't need notes for this video because I actually decided to make this video all courtesy of my sister. I hope you're watching, because currently the question that you asked me on the phone, I'm probably not even about to respond to it because I'm about to answer it in this video. A lot of you guys probably clicked on this video looking for me to tell you to go get a Canon 80D with the Rode video microphone and 2 softbox lights. Make sure you get the reflector. Oh yeah, don't forget to soundproof your room. If that's what you was looking for, you literally clicked on the wrong video. Like in your beginner, you definitely clicked on the wrong video, and you definitely need, no. We just gonna stop. No. Here's the thing. When starting YouTube as a beginner, please, I beg of thee, do not go and get $1,500 worth of camera equipment, $300 worth of sound quality, the big lights, the freaking ring light that's actually broke. It's all flat, like it's just sitting here chill. Don't do that. You are spending too much time researching how to perfect something and you don't even know how to use it. Please don't go spending thousands of dollars on camera equipment that you're not even going to use. Honestly, it's pointless. Especially if you don't even know if this is something that you want to do. All right, so we're just gonna use me as a perfect example. So here's the thing. You guys probably wouldn't believe me if I told you. I have been through so many cameras here on YouTube. I've had the Canon T3i, I had the Canon T6, and right now I am using the Canon SL2. I've had the standard 18 to 55 millimeter lens. I've had a 50 millimeter lens, and currently I am using a Sigma 30 f1.4. You don't even know what I'm talking about. I spent so much time researching camera and equipment that I was spending so much time researching camera and equipment and I was barely uploading. I was too busy trying to perfect how my videos came out. Don't do that. Oh my God, don't do that. Like that's so bad, because I still don't know everything about my camera. I can spend hours researching about my camera, and that could have been hours recording crappy, not even crappy quality video, and I could have just uploaded it. And then when you guys see my next video, I actually love seeing that when I watch channels and then it's just like, whoa, look at your quality. Please don't go out and spend thousands of dollars on equipment, because you're gonna be just like me. What did I do? I spent well over thousands of dollars on equipment, and I was barely even uploading because I was too busy researching how to use the freaking equipment. There are tons of YouTubers right now who are using their phone. If you want a DSLR and you just like forget that I ain't using my phone, I'm trying to come out with a banger, get the Canon M100. It is a little bit smaller than my SL2. It has interchangeable lenses, it's compact, and it's simple. It'll be perfect for recording videos or even vlogging. My sister asked me about a lens and I'm just like, dude, you literally already have a 50mm lens. My sister has a 50mm lens. And she's more on the makeup side, so that's actually the perfect lens for her. She wants to get a lens that's gonna cost a lot of money. I don't think right now it's worth it. You need to use what you have. Use the tools that you already have. Like I said, if you want to go out and buy a camera, just get the M100. It's not that expensive. It's around $400. And if you insist on not listening to me, because right now, if you want to know what lighting I'm using, I'm actually using natural lighting. I do have studio lights. I actually have two of these big bad boys right here. These are actually the newer studio box lights. These are some of my favorite lights. You can get those. They are pretty pricey. When I got them, they were only $50, but that was a while ago. I feel like I'm talking that old language. But they'll probably run you $100, as well as I do have a ring light. It'll probably run you around $100, $150. They're both by Newer, if you insist on getting all of this equipment. Here's the thing, if you do all of that, you guys, make sure you are getting a return back. I have not made on YouTube as much as all of the equipment that I have purchased. I want my money back, because if this don't work, I need my money back, because I pay for this. This camera is a lot of money. I got it as a kid. You don't want to go spending $1,000 on a whole bunch of camera equipment to just be like, look at my quality, and you're going to be uploading once a week. We talked about consistency. All of this equipment you're going to use, you are going to want your money back. You don't want to go and spend thousands of dollars on some equipment and then it's stuck in your house and you're selling it on Craigslist, Letgo, or OfferUp. Please don't. Start with what you have so that you know this is what you want to do. If you do want to up the quality, I know sometimes when you're recording, you kind of get everything with your phone. I'm actually using a microphone right now. I believe actually the microphone that I gave my sister, it actually clips on your shirt, gives bomb quality. Andrea Denise actually uses that same microphone. You're actually able to put it inside your camera and switch it to phone, and boom, now you have bomb audio. Make sure that your audience can hear you, because that's also like a really big thing. If you insist, and I know sometimes honestly it's about $20. I'm gonna leave a link down below to that mic in the description bar. If you really insist, like, come on Storm sis, stop playing with me, because I sound like ashy hands rubbing together as I talk. You know, so I am actually going to leave a link down below of that, because I was using that, but once I switch over to this specific DSLR, it actually doesn't support it's kind of hard, it doesn't support like the prongs that go into the mic, so that didn't work for me. But yeah, if you insist, I definitely will leave a mic down below for that. Let's talk tripods as a beginner. It's inevitable that you're gonna need a tripod. Some people actually use boxes, but honestly, if you're using your phone, please don't be recording like this. That's winter. Don't record like this. Please make sure that you record like this. It's gonna be kind of hard to prop your phone up like on boxes and stuff. It's doable, but I'm gonna leave a link down below to like some some quality tripods that are good for phones. There's like $15, honestly. And if you can't afford that, I know too many YouTubers on here that are just like, right now, this is my janky setup, these are my shoe boxes, and then my phone is sitting right here. It's doable. You can see all of my equipment, but did you guys notice me posting like I am now before and I had all of this equipment? No, you did not. If you go ahead and lie, I want you to lie because I know I wasn't consistent. So I don't want you guys to waste thousands of dollars on this super expensive equipment if you're not even recording anything. You really got the nerve to be sitting here asking, what type of equipment should I get? And you literally already have everything that you need sitting right there. Like, it's in your face. Everything that you need to start your channel, it's there. You have all the information that you need, and you do have all of the equipment. Like I said, if you insist on getting something, get the M100. Honestly, if you want to pay for that, go ahead. Use the kit lens. Don't come asking me what lens I should use until I see that you have been consistent on your channel. You don't need to be buying 5 different lenses. What are you doing? You literally sitting here like, okay, so what lens should I use? I want quality like hers. You're not even recording anything. Use what you have. And when you grow, let me tell you, when you grow, then you could be like, it's time to up it on them. You know? Like, I'm finna go get that 30mm lens. Start small. And then once you boom and you be like, it's up from there, then come to me and I got you. Okay? And then I'm gonna be like, this is what you need. Okay? I'm gonna be sure to leave the links down below to that mic and then that tripod if you are interested. They're around $20, no more than $20 for both. So yeah, for a beginner, that is what you should use. Now if you want to know what I use, we're gonna talk about that in another video. So yeah, bye you guys.